So I've been covering the tech scene for about 5 years now, and I'd like to think that I've seen enough phones and experienced enough features that I rarely get surprised when a new device comes out. That's until Carlo unboxed something on his channel that had me asking two questions. What the heck is that phone, and can I borrow it? Hey Unbox fam, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this Thicc feature phone that costs less than 2,500 pesos, the Servo R25. Now before we get to the rest of the video, just a quick reminder guys, there is a giveaway running for the Xiaomi Redmi 7A, so if you want a chance to win that device, all you have to do is click on the link in the description down below and follow the instructions properly. Alright, so let's get back to the Servo R25. Now there are a few highlighted features on the back of the box, but let's get to the ones that I think are more interesting. As I mentioned in the intro, this is a feature phone, so it can only do basic functions like call and text. So for all intents and purposes, it's a quote-unquote dumb phone that only runs on 2G. So in terms of that, it's definitely not anything special. But because it is Thicc with maybe more than two Cs, it does have a bunch of other surprising features. You've already seen it in the thumbnail, but the best feature of this device is that on top of this phone is a pair of wireless earbuds. I mean, seriously, I don't know how the brainstorming process went when they were thinking about a new product, but this is definitely out there, and to be honest, I love how completely ridiculous it is. Because of its price tag, we really didn't expect the sound quality to be really good, but they get the job done. It pretty much sounds like the earphones that you typically get out of the box with smartphones. So the box says it has 2 to 3 hours of playtime and it charges in about an hour, but remember, this is priced less than 2,500 pesos, and having the option at that price point is again just ridiculous. Now, I couldn't get them to work with a radio, which is another feature that we'll quickly talk about later, so you will have to load up your own music to the device, which is a little weird, but you can pair them to other phones as well. Now on to the second highlighted feature, it can also be used as a power bank. Inside the R25's robust bod is a 6,000 mAh battery that you can use to power other devices. There's a USB-A out port on the bottom of the device, so if your primary phone is running low or you need to juice up any of your devices, I guess this phone can help out. Now another one of its features is its powerful flashlight. So you can see the flashlight on the back next to the VGA camera. Yep, you heard that right folks, VGA camera, so don't expect much. You can turn it on by holding the 0 key and it's pretty damn bright. Now as I said earlier, it also has an FM radio, but it really just plays through the speaker on the back. I couldn't get it to work with a wireless headset that comes with the phone, so keep that in mind. You also have a 2.8-inch display to navigate through the device, and underneath the 6,000 mAh battery on the back is the access to the dual SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot that can take up to 32 gigabytes. So there you have it guys, one of the most ridiculous phones that we've ever featured on this channel. Again, the Servo R25 is priced around 2,500 pesos depending on where you look. Now this isn't a phone that I would really recommend. Maybe it's something that you can put in your emergency bag, but I think there are still other options that might do the job better. Carlo said that it was kind of like a jack of all trades but a master of none, and I completely agree. It's got a lot of novelty features, but it's just not something I would personally go out and buy for myself. So that's pretty much it for the Servo R25. Let me know what you guys think, if this is something that you'd want to pick up and why. Let me know in the comment section down below. Speaking of which, it's time to read the comments, or a couple of comments from the previous video, which is the Redmi 7A gaming review. So the first comment comes from Snow Black, and he asks, how about Vainglory, magiging smooth kaya dyan? Well, I honestly think that I have to do a second gaming review for this particular smartphone, since I missed out on a couple of popular titles, which Vainglory being one of them, and PUBG Mobile. But given that everything I've experienced so far, I think it's going to be running a little smoothly. You do have to bump down the settings, but again, stay tuned. I'll have to verify it in that second gaming review. So yeah, sub to the channel if you haven't already. Alright, so comment number 2 comes from Enrico Makabatao. He asks, where is the Xiaomi store? Well, I actually don't have all the stores memorized. I know there's one in Mega Mall. I'm not sure if there's one in North EDSA. I know there's one in Mall of Asia and Market. So the best thing to do is actually go to their Facebook page and ask them directly if there's one near your area. And if there isn't, it's available through Lazada. Just make sure you go to their flagship page. Not sponsored, by the way. So the last comment comes from Tristan Renera, who says, awesome review, Sir Jamie, planning to buy for my brother. Anyways, thoughts on the upcoming Redmi Note 8 having MediaTek? Thanks, more reviews to come. Woo! He actually said that. Well, first of all, thank you for the support, Tristan. About my thoughts on the Redmi Note 8 having the Helio G90T processor, I don't know if I have that correct, I think so. But yeah, I think it's too soon to tell. We haven't experienced the new processor from MediaTek. Hopefully they got everything right. It is a gaming-centric processor, so I'm hoping that the performance is equal to, if not better, than the Snapdragon in its price range. So yeah, again, it's too soon to tell. Hopefully we get our hands on the device really soon so we can report back to you guys of what we actually think based on our experience. So yeah. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.